to turn noise suppression on or off in Discord. The process is the same whether you're using the mobile app or the website on your computer. First, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the cog icon located at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. On mobile devices, this icon is also accessible. Once in the Settings menu, select the Voice and Video section. Within this section, scroll down until you see the Advanced category, where you'll find the noise suppression option. By default, it may be set to None, but you can click on it to select the Standard option, effectively turning it on. Additionally, you can also adjust echo cancellation and automatic gain control settings if needed. If you want to reset these settings, click on the Reset option at the bottom. To turn noise suppression off, simply reverse the process by going back into the Settings menu and selecting the desired option. The Voice Settings menu also allows you to adjust other audio settings to your liking.